KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube. What we have here behind me is a 2017 Kia Sorento. Customer complained that this vehicle died hard on her when she was driving down the road. So apparently it looks like the alternator of this vehicle has failed, but I just wanted to make sure, as you can see, I put a booster on it, even use my own vehicle to start it to make sure that we confirm the customer complaint. But we're gonna go right inside the car now and see what's going on here. Let me flip the camera around. As you can see, you see the battery. There's a battery light there. The battery light is on. So what does that tell you? See there? That means the alternator has failed. So the customer complaint is confirmed. So we're gonna be changing the alternator of this car. All right, since we have confirmed the problem of this car, so the alternator of this vehicle is underneath right here. I'll bring the camera in a minute. So the best way to do this job, I believe we have to go through underneath by taking off the tire. But I just wanted to say, KG, why I love working on vehicles. I always like to take time to step aside also to see how everybody is doing. Mental health is very important in life. When you have good health, life always seems to go well with everyone. Do you know in America, every 12 minutes, I'm not joking, this is serious, every 12 minutes in America, someone commits suicide. It's very important what I'm saying. Every 12 minutes, 129 people die every day in America. 47,173 a year. That's serious. Please check on your brothers and sisters. Give somebody a call today. Just about one call, it can change the whole trajectory of that person. How you doing? You see people, it's very important. Why I love to do this job, I like to be a mentor to someone else. Anyway, I have said that, KG, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. You know how it go. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So as you can see, here's the alternator right here. I hope you can see it. That's the alternator right here. So I believe we have to drop the, what do you call it there? Just have to drop the AC compressor down and underneath there. We're gonna go through underneath, and that's where it's gonna come out from. But the first thing we're gonna do, make sure you disconnect the battery, the negative, so you don't blow up yourself. I can't really video that much, as you can see, but I'll do my best to go through everything that I did. Having said that, KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. So I took out the tire already. We're gonna take off this bolt right here. There's another one here. I want to take off this plastic. Once I take that off, then we can be able to start seeing the alternator. KG. So as you can see, you can start seeing the alternator. So the plan is to drop this guy right here, because we're gonna go through here. So this is the tensioner, and this is where we're gonna go. It has a hydraulic adjuster. So we're gonna put on 19 here, I believe. Pull it backward, snap out this belt, Just make sure you know the routing of the belt. Then from there, I can't really show that much while I'm working, but I will explain everything that I do. But we have to drop this AC compressor. All right, KG, right back. So this is how you take off the adjuster. You pry it like this, see, towards the front. See, once you do that, the belt will come out. So I can't do it with my hand on the camera and then so let me take off the belt. So as you can see, I dropped the AC compressor. Once you drop the AC compressor, you have all the rooms that you want. Let me show you right there. See, the alternator is right there. So once you drop the AC compressor, you have all the room. You don't even have to bother with the top there. Everything has to be done underneath. So I take off this, the connector of the compressor and the wire that goes on it. This one is for the AC compressor. You disconnect that so that you don't break that wire. So we're gonna lose this bolt now, and there's another one on top. I believe once we do that, the alternator should be, it has a big room here to come out, so no worries. Okay. So there are two bolts holding the alternator. One is right here, and the other one you can get to it on top there. They are both 14. Once you lose the two bolts, see the alternator is already hanging out right now, as you guys can see. So once you lose the two bolts, you just pry it, because this thing has a little key, so that makes the alternator to be tight in this bracket. But once you do that, you pry it, then you can be able to wiggle it like this. So it should be able to come down. So you guys can see. There we go. So there is a little clip right here. Hold the alternator for me. See, there's a, hold it. So there's a little clip at the back of the alternator here. See right there? So you're gonna have to pull that. So let me undo that. Once I undo that, then the alternator will come out. KG. Alright, so the alternator is out, like I said before. It was on 2 bolts, 14 bolts, very easy. So the lady happened to buy a used alternator, which I don't really advise, but don't hold me to it. Though is a Denso, or is used already. So please don't hold me to that. You know, things are tough. I can understand. Not everybody can afford a brand new one. So my prayer is, I told the lady, sometimes when you buy these things, you have to pray to God that everything work out well, so that you don't end up paying KG and your alternator is not working. So that's what it is. I just comparing it. Everything looks the same. The plug is good and all of that. So we're going to go ahead and, by the way, this vehicle is 2017. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier on. So we're going to go ahead and put this alternator in. So this bolt on top, you can get through it through this long extension. You see my extension right there. Once you put that 14, you get to it. So the one on the bottom, you just go to the bottom and get to that. So Kia did something very good in all this new model, because like the old ones, they're very tough to take off the alternator, but this one, everything just seems to be going pretty well, you know. So that's a good thing. So kudos to Kia. All right, so we'll go ahead and tie that up and wrap up this thing. So as you can see, the alternator is back in there. So we just put in the compressor now. So this version of alternator on this Kia is pretty easy to do. I believe anybody can do this. So once we finish tying that, we'll connect the compressor, the connector, then I'll put the belt, and then this vehicle is ready to start. Pretty easy. The job is taking like about, like an hour and a half. I believe you can run this. You can do it. Hour and a half, guaranteed. KG, stay tuned. So the belt is back on again. So when you want to put a belt, you just leave this right here open. When you put it through all the routing, you leave it open. So by the time you put this, you'll be able to slip in the belt there. Okay, so everything looks good now. Take off that. That's a 19 right there. Take out that there. We'll go reconnect the battery and we'll start this car. So I just started the car. Car is running right now. So we're gonna go inside to see if the battery light is still on. Use alternator. Looks like everything is looking good so far. Hold this for me like this. Alright, we're gonna confirm to see if he has a 14 volt. Can you see this? Yeah. Alright, so you can see 14.3. That means the alternator is charging old alternator. But let's go in there to see. Sorry about that. As you can see, the battery light is off. So that means confirmed. Alternator is working. So that pretty much it. I wish I could show more. But the explanation that I explained there will do the whole thing. Anybody can do this. Kudos to Akia, like I said earlier on, like they're improving, you know. So once you drop that AC compressor, everything is just on your face right there. No struggle at all. 2 volts, alternator is out. Please consider subscribing if this video was any help to you. Please make sure you call someone. Mental health is very important. Takes one to know one, takes two to tango. Shout out to Brooklyn, KG, love you, peace. We are gone.